In the given figure, angle ABD is equal to 3 into angle DAB and angle CDB is equal to 96 is given. Find angle ABD. Here, what is this angle? Tell me. Angle BDA and angle BDC is equal to 180 degrees because this is linear plane. Okay. So how we can write this one? Angle BDA plus angle BDC is equal to 180 degrees. What is angle BDC? What is angle BDC? 96. So angle BDA plus 96 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle BDA is equal to 180 minus 96 degrees. So that is equal to how much? 84 degrees. So angle BDA is nothing but angle angle D. Angle D is equal to 84 degrees. 84 degrees. Okay. Angle D is equal to in triangle BDA. Angle D is equal to 84 degrees. 84 degrees. Angle BDA 84 degrees. Okay. Next, angle A is equal to how much is given? X degrees is given. What is angle B? Condition is given. Angle B is equal to how much? 3 into angle A. 3 into angle A. So 3 into angle. What is angle A? X degrees. So that is 3x degrees. Okay. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So in triangle BDA, angle B plus angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So what is angle B? Angle B is equal to 3x degrees. 3x degrees plus angle A, x degrees plus angle D, 84 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 3x plus x, 4x. 4x degrees plus or 4x is equal to 180 degrees minus 84 degrees. So that is equal to how much? 96 degrees. Okay. 4x is equal to 96. X is equal to 96 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 remainder. 4 4s are. So x is equal to how much? 24 degrees. X is equal to 24 degrees. What is x? Angle A is nothing but x degrees. That is equal to 24 degrees. Okay. What is angle B? Angle B is equal to 3 into angle A. 3 into angle A. So that is equal to 3 into 24. That is equal to 72 degrees. So this is 72 and this is 24. Now BDC is also a triangle. Isn't it? BDC is also a triangle. So we can find the remaining angles also. Okay? Write down. Next question. In the figure, DE parallel to BC and A is equal to 30 degrees and B is equal to 50 degrees. Find the values of x, y, z. Here ABC is a triangle and A is equal to 30 degrees and B is equal to 50 degrees is given. Okay. From the figure, what we have? BC and DE. These two are parallel. Okay. If these two are parallel, BC and DE are parallel, then what is AC? What is AC from the figure? Suppose DE and this one. Then what are these two angles? So these two are corresponding angles. Okay. And we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So angle A is 30 degrees plus angle B is 50 degrees plus angle C Z degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Z degrees is equal to how much? 180 degrees minus 80 degrees is equal to 100 degrees. That means angle Z is equal to how much? 100 degrees. Okay? Angle Z is equal to 100 degrees. Now, angle X and angle Z are angle X and angle Z corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle Z is equal to angle X is equal to angle Z is equal to how much now? 100 degrees. Okay. Again, ADE is a what is ADE? ADE. ADE is a triangle. ADE is a triangle. Okay. And angle A plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is equal to 30 degrees plus angle D, we don't know, that is 8 degrees, plus angle E is equal to how much now? Angle E is equal to x degrees. It is nothing but 100 degrees. 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. That is equal to 50 degrees. See here, angle Y is equal to 50 degrees and angle B is equal to 50 degrees. See, what are these two angles? Corresponding angles. Without doing also we can find this one, isn't it? Angle Y and angle B are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, angle X is equal to how much? Angle X is equal to 100 degrees. Angle Y is equal to 50 degrees. Angle Z is equal to 100 degrees. Okay? Understood? Right up.